The key to a well-designed kitchen is not necessarily what you see on the outside. Although the external details will certainly garner admiration from family and friends, it will be the internal accessories that make you smile day after day. With Dura Supreme's convenient cookware pullouts to keep lids organized and accessible, you won't be wrestling with a jumble of clinking pots and pans. Keep your spice jars nestled in neat, orderly rows with our spice drawers and pullouts. Double the storage of your drawers with two-tier divided trays for silverware, utensils, and cutlery. These hardworking tools transform your kitchen into an efficient workroom with their ingenious compartments and pull-out mechanisms. Optimize, maximize, and organize every valuable inch of your workspace. And then, fully enjoy the art of cooking in your Dura Supreme kitchen.